Today we will discuss section formula. In section formula, we have to find the coordinate of that point which divides the line segment in ratio m raised to n. Suppose PQ be the line segment, PQ be any line segment, coordinate of P be x1 y1 and coordinate of Q be x2 y2. We have to find the coordinate of that point R which divides the line segment PQ in m ratio n, that is given PR upon RQ is equal to m upon n, and coordinate of P is also given. Coordinate of P is x1 y1, coordinate of Q is x2 y2, and suppose coordinate of R be xy. Any question x1 y1 x2 y2 means it is given known quantity, xy means unknown quantity. So we have to find the coordinate of R. हमें उस PQ कोई लाइन सेगमेंट दिया गया है, PQ को R कोई पॉइंट P और Q का कोऑर्डिनेट पता है, R उस पॉइंट R का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है जो PQ को m रेशियो n में डिवाइड करता है. PR upon RQ is equal to m by n, PQ and R. To derive section formula, we have to know about similar triangles. सेक्शन फार्मूला डिराइव करने से पहले हमें सिमिलर ट्रायंगल के बारे में जानना है. Let two triangles ABC and triangle PQR be similar triangles. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and then therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है तो उनके साइड सेम प्रोपोर्शन में होते हैं. AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन PR. ये लिखा जा सकता है. हमको इस चीज को जानना है. ये हम लोग क्लास चैप्टर 6 में पढ़ चुके हैं. ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल BQR बी सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. देन वी कैन राइट दिस. देयरफॉर दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. अब इसी ट्रायंगल को सेक्शन फार्मूला को डिराइव करने के लिए हम सिमिलरिटी की इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करेंगे. ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम P on x axis, from R on x axis, from Q also on x axis M N T. Also draw perpendicular from P to RN and from R on QT. Here triangle PRS and triangle RQU are similar triangles because the angle this is equal to angle this. Angle S is equal to angle U. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Then we can use this property. Now write triangle PRS is similar to triangle RQU. Therefore PR upon RQ is equal to RS upon QU is equal to PS upon RU. Write this on your copy. Now take PR upon RQ is equal to PS upon RU. PS upon RU is equal to PR upon RQ. What is the value of PS? In this triangle, coordinate of PB x1, therefore OM is equal to x1, and coordinate of RB x, therefore ON is equal to x. From this we can find PS is equal to x minus x1. Similarly, what is the value of RU? What is the value of RU? RU is equal to, this is x, coordinate of QB x2 y2, therefore OT is equal to x2. Therefore RU is equal to x2 minus x. This is x2, this is x1, therefore RU is equal to x2 minus x. Substitute this value in PS upon RU is equal to PR upon RQ, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x is equal to PR upon RQ is equal to given m by n. Solve this and find the value of x. Nx minus nx1 is equal to mx2 minus mx. Transfer this. Nx plus mx is equal to mx2 minus plus nx1. M plus n is equal to mx2 plus nx1. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is the value of x. Similarly, we can find that if we take PR upon RQ is equal to RS upon QU, then we will find the value of y. If we take PR upon RQ is equal to RS upon QU, then we can find the value of y. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. From this we can write the section formula here. Mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is called section formula. Write this on your copy. Now solve question number 1 of exercise 7.2. P and Q be 2 points given. P coordinate of P be minus 1 comma 7, coordinate of Q be 4 comma minus 3. Find the coordinate of that point R which divides PQ in ratio 2:3. That is PR upon QR is equal to 2/3. We have to find the coordinate of R. Suppose coordinate of R be xy. Now write section formula. Section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, here x1 is equal to minus 1, x2 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to, right here, y1 is equal to 7 and y2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to m means 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 3, that is 8 minus 3 upon 5. 5 upon 5 is equal to 1. Y is equal to m means 2, y2 minus 3 plus 3, y1 7 upon m plus n. Minus 6 plus 21 upon 5, 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. Therefore, coordinate of r is equal to 1, 3. We have to find the coordinate of r, which is 1, 3. Write this. Application of this section formula. Suppose r divides pq in ratio 1:1, or we can say that r is the midpoint of q. If r is the midpoint of pq, then what is the coordinate of r? M upon n is equal to 1 by 1. Since r is midpoint, therefore coordinate of r, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. p का कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 दिया हुआ है, q का कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2 है, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ q भी x2 y2. Then m is equal to 1 and n is also 1. Therefore, and substitute this value 1x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. Similarly, we can write y is also y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore, coordinate of midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2.